Good morning. Today the topic is the fundamental unit of life and sub topic is plasma membrane. You know most cell have three main parts. They are called plasma membrane or cell membrane, nucleus and cytoplasm. See, this is the outermost part of cell, plasma membrane, nucleus in the center, and in between plasma membrane and nucleus, cytoplasm is present. Today I am explaining about the plasma. This is the outermost covering of the cell that separates the content of cell. This is the outermost part of cell, covering the content of cell. From its external environment, the plasma membrane allow or permit the entry exist of some material in and out of the cell. This plasma membrane allow other material to enter or out from the cell. Movement of some other materials, therefore it is called selectively permeable membrane. It is a permeable membrane. Some substance like carbon dioxide or oxygen can move across the cell membrane by a process called diffusion. By the process of diffusion, CO2 move inside through the plasma membrane, and this is called diffusion process. Water also obey the law of diffusion. The movement of water molecule through such a selectively permeable membrane is called osmosis. Both osmosis and diffusion are same thing, only few things are uncommon. The movement of water across the plasma membrane is also affected by the amount of substance dissolved in water. The movement of water across the plasma membrane is also affected by the amount of substance dissolved in the water. How much that substance is dissolved in water? I am explaining the definition of diffusion. The movement of a substance from a region of its higher concentration to the region of its lower concentration. From higher concentration to the region of its lower concentration is called diffusion. अगर हायर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन से लोअर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन में आता है, उस प्रोसेस को हम डिफ्यूजन कहते हैं. डिफ्यूजन हेल्प इन gaseous exchange between the cells as well as cell and its external environment. Diffusion helps in the exchange of gases, CO2, oxygen, etc. Osmosis. The spontaneous movement of water molecules from the region of its higher concentration to the region of low concentration through a selectively permeable membrane is called osmosis. This is the figure of a typical animal cell. Only I have shown the plasma membrane, nucleus and cytoplasm. It is the outermost layer. The nucleus is present in the center, and in between plasma membrane and nucleus, cytoplasm is there. I am sending one PPT. You see the important point from that PPT and write in your copy. Thank you. Have a nice day.